Oh hi, and welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. Today I'm standing in front of a villa that is truly amazing. It has it all. A modern design, 2 pools, and you know what? I'm not gonna spoil too much yet. Let's discover it together, shall we? The amazing thing about this house is that it's located in a gated urbanization with 24-hour security, yet we're on an almost 1500 square meter plot. We're here on the main floor of the house, where the living area and kitchen unite together in a beautiful open concept. And you know what I love about this house? Is that every room has a lot of natural light and a beautiful interaction with the outside area, like here with the terrace. The villa is over 500 square meters built, with 5 bedrooms with each their own bathrooms. And I'm now inviting you upstairs, where we're going to check out the prestigious master bedroom. The master bedroom has access to its own private terrace, which extends onto a beautiful sun lake with a pool where you can enjoy Marbella's sunny climate to the max. And are you just as in love with this house as I am? I'd like to know. Just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see each other next time. Bye!